Hi, my name is Jill Patterson. I'm a realtor in Miami, Florida, and I want to give you guys a little market rundown. So I haven't done one of these videos in a long time because it's been kind of busy, but let me just take you through everything. So in 2020, we actually sold 25% more real estate in dollar volume than in 2019. Now that is kind of amazing if you look, because that would be the first, third, and fourth quarter because of COVID, we did nothing in the second quarter. And in those 3 quarters, we sold 25% more in dollar volume than a normal year in 2019. Prices rose between 7 and 10%. And and listings, okay, so listing inventory dropped by the end of the year 21%. Okay, cut to right now, it's the middle of February 2021. If you look at January, prices have risen 25% year over year. And single family homes, the average price is $469,500. And the average price for a condo is $280,000, which is weird because that's like that was the average price before we had the crash. So obviously we have just this huge market explosion. Tons of people from high tax states have been moving here. It's completely a seller's market. There is some difficulty though. Lots of sellers are thinking twice about selling because once they sell, if they want to stay in Florida, where are they going to go? Inventory is really, really tight, and things are selling, houses are selling 97% of asking, and condos are selling at like 94% of asking. It's really interesting to see how this has impacted the new construction market as well. You know, new construction over the last couple of years has kind of languored. And in the last 2 months, there's been a huge upsurge in sales. So these big luxury projects like Aston Martin, Mr. C's in Coconut Grove, Missoni Bahia, Manad Terrace, Una, they're all seeing more sales. In fact, Related, which is the big Goliath here in Florida, has announced their first new construction project since 2016, and they'll be breaking ground on Brickell Baccarat, which is huge, 3 towers, 82 stories, right across from Icon Brickell in downtown. So I guess the big question on people's minds is like, how long is this going to last? Of course, like, people want the better weather, they want the low interest, capitalize on the low interest rates, they want to be in a low tax state, and we're getting all these buyers from New York, Connecticut, California. In fact, we're getting apparently 950 new residents moving to Florida a day. And of those 950, 45% of them are coming to Southeast Florida, like Miami, Palm Beach, and Broward. So the question is, how deep is that demand? Like, you know, how long will this last? Because it's tough on buyers too, because they're having to pay top dollar. And it's also interesting to kind of think about how this is going to impact the culture here. Because in the past, when we've had these bull markets, it's mostly been buyers from South America coming to Miami, purchasing a condo as kind of like a safe haven for their capital, like flight capital they call it. And a lot of the times those units would just be empty, and you'd see just like no lights on in downtown or wherever. But this is a whole different wave of buyers. These people are coming to stay. They're at least staying 6 months and a day to establish residency down here. They're bringing their families. They're bringing their businesses. Chiral Icon moved here. Peter Thiel just bought a place from PayPal. Lots and lots of high net worth individuals and kind of trendsetters. So we'll see how that impacts the culture here. It'll be really interesting to see what happens in this new wave. All right, that's my market recap. My name is Jill Patterson. If you're looking to sell, please give me a call, and I'd love to work with you also if you're interested in purchasing. Take care, everyone. Thank you.